Now, ex-cricketer and AAP MP Harbhajan Singh joins the chorus. Harbhajan Singh, seeking stern action against the rapist, demands strict law against those committing such heinous crimes. Harbhajan's appeal in a letter to the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee says don't, in fact, politicize the issue, asking for strict action to be carried out and ensure the perpetrators are brought to book. Ex-cricketer and AAP MP Harbhajan Singh joining in the chorus, seeking for stern action against the Kolkata rapist. The man has been arrested, but if there is more to it, it must be brought to fore.
हम एक ऐसे देश के नागरिक हैं जहां पे हम मिलजुल के रहते हैं, बट ऐसी घिनौनी हरकत का करने वालों को ज़रूर सज़ा मिलनी चाहिए। मैं ममता दीदी से, वहां के गवर्नर साहब से और भी बड़े अधिकारियों से, नरेंद्र मोदी साहब से, राष्ट्रपति जी से और जितने भी और देश के बड़े नेता हैं, सबको मैं यही कहना चाहता हूं कि ये वो समय है जब हम सबको इकट्ठा होके एक ऐसा असूल नियम बनाना चाहिए जहां पे आने वाले हर ऐसे समय में ऐसी घिनौनी हरकत करने वाले के जहन में ये चीज रहे कि अगर ऐसा वो सोचते भी हैं तो उसका अंजाम क्या होगा।
Maushmi Singh joining us on the phone line, tracking developments coming in from the opposition leaders. Maushmi, Harbhajan Singh has now asked for stern action to be taken, though we're looking at several opposition parties firing at the Mamata Banerjee government, the TMC in West Bengal, asking why the investigation was not speeded up right when it surfaced. So the Congress pointing fingers, the Aam Aadmi Party as well saying the same.
Harbhajan Singh joining the chorus there. In fact, he underlines the fact that it's not only West Bengal, such incidents are happening elsewhere in the country, and thereby saying that he's written that letter to not only the West Bengal Chief Minister but also the Governor of West Bengal, and in addition to that, he's also written to the President of India and the Prime Minister, demanding that there should be a stop pulled over such incidents that really raise very serious and grievous questions as far as women's safety and security is concerned.
Thanks very much, Maushmi, for joining us.